Buddy. Cool tree, right? Dead skunk in the middle of the road. The dome. Trying to follow this red car. All of a sudden showing up. Towers to the dome. So I get for being left-handed. Oh, buddy. Okay, that's enough zoom, I guess, for now. Fix that. I just want to go up there at that cathedral thingy, spire. With the clocks in it. Good boy. Dude. The post. Oh, yeah, there's tunnels in this city, they say, that go through to Chicago underground. Oh yeah. Cool car. Oh, I guess there's a lot of cool cars. Oh yes. Towers to the dome. Look at the dome. The dome, it's in there. You know what I'm talking about. So they say the bricks weren't supposed to be showing ever on the finished buildings. They were just structural, right? This, I guess. Right. So many different color bricks we have here. Oh, I just want you to look at this skinny ass building right here. What the F? Like, so did it used to go through and they just cut it for the tracks or what? Oh yeah. It is a mud flood. You should learn what that means if you don't know already. Seemingly a uphill battle for whatever. Dude, I just like went underground, it seemed like. But it's not ground. But, you know, it's a mud flood. The ground is probably somewhere way beneath us. A lot By way, I mean a lot further down than we think. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, did you see those? Did you see those? This corner house. And then, you know, all of them. They're sitting on these yellow bricks that go down. They're giant yellow bricks from this old stuff that's in the quarry. But is it the quarry or is it the bricks? I'm wondering. See right there? The bricks. Knuckles. He loves riding. If you can't read that cross, it says Jesus is Lord. No dumping, buddy. You can perform dumping, Knuckles. Alright. Yep. Towers to the dome. The mud flood. So now we're like on the upper level of the pyramid of the mud flood, whatever it is. And there you have it. Love you. Buddy, buddy.